Are you ready, guys? You have the revision sheet? Do you have it?
Yes, yeah, Mister. Yes. Let's start.
The final revision, okay, which uploaded in topic June. Okay, the last one which uploaded, okay. Let's start with the first question. A kidney cell is an example of which type of cell? Kidney.
Somatic.
Somatic, excellent. Next one, how many chromosomes are in human gametes? The word gametes mean the sex cells. So the number of chromosomes in sex cell, 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes, or just 23 chromosomes?
Uh, 23 chromosome.
23 chromosomes.
The 6 cell هي half number of chromosomes.
Yes, excellent. Next one, which of the following best describes the genetic material a person receives from his or her father? Select one. You must read this question carefully.
A.
A. What about P?
No, Mister, it can because it carry only one X or Y, not the both.
Excellent.
And if it carry the both, it will be 24 autosome. So
Right.
cannot.
Excellent. First one. 22 autosomes, chromosomes, which means somatic chromosomes, and the chromosome number 23, maybe X, maybe Y, from the father, because the father had both of them, but just inherited or gives to the offspring one of them, X or Y. Next, which phrase best describes the process of meiosis? Which one of these choices best describes the process of meiosis? It results in genetically identical cells, happens only in haploid cells, occurs in body cells, produces haploid gametes. Which one? Which one, guys? No one know the answer? I will choose, okay.
Happens in haploid cell.
Happens only in haploid cells.
Yes.
Is your answer?
Yes.
Okay. فرح بغني. One minute. أنا نسيت. أنا ما لقيتهاش. لقيتها اديتها لحد تاني. هجيبها لك والله بس على الأسبوع الجاي. والله لقيتها اديتها لحد. فرح Farah, do you hear me?
Yes, it's D.
D, not B as Yusuf said.
No,
What's the difference between P and D?
مستر هي أساسا مش المفروض تبقى division of homologous chromosomes.
The question is not asked about the chromosomes. Ask about the cells.
ما
طبعاً
كانت
هذا-
جاية في كويز كده. What phrase best describe meiosis؟ كانت جاية كده برضه.
These 4 choices.
كان في منهم choice مش موجود. لا ال choices كانت مختلفة. ال choices كانت بتقول duplication of paired chromosomes.
This is another question. Another
creation of
question.
2D.
It's another question, not this question.
لا يا مستر، هو نفس السؤال ده جه في الكويز ونفس يعني نفس التشويس، مفيش حاجة اتغيرت.
This choices. The same choices,
Yes.
but he said it homologous chromosome. Where is the homologous chromosome in the choices?
هو حضرتك اللي كنت عامل الكويز صح؟
The last one, monthly.
Yes.
Yes, me.
طب حضرتك اللي عامل revision sheet؟
Yes.
ازاي ده؟
This one.
طيب ما هو this one ما هو الكويشن هو
I said I prepared this revision sheet in front of you.
طب
Not another revision sheet.
السؤال بتاع الكويز كان بيقول which phrase best describe meiosis؟
I think it's another question. 1 minute. Oh,
ايوه
another question, not the same. I ask about this one now. Okay. Okay, Habiba, this one. This question with another one. Farah, what's the difference between P and D? The choice P and D. Farah? Farah,
Yes.
what's the difference between the choice P and D?
D means produces haploid sex cells.
Okay. P. Meiosis division occurs in 6 cells.
No, it produces sex cells.
Just excellent. Just produce, not occurs. I explained it before. The 2 types of division, whatever mitosis, both of them occurs or happens in somatic cells, in diploid cells. But one of this division, which mitosis produce same diploid cells, but meiosis produce haploid cells, which means it reduce the number of chromosomes. Okay, Yusuf.
نعم يا مستر.
Meiosis not happens in 6 cells, just produce 6 cells. You got it?
تمام يا مستر شكرا.
Next, at fertilization, what happens to the 6 cells? Judy Gamal.
Yes.
Can you answer this question, please?
B.
B. Their nuclei fuse to form one nucleus. Okay, right. They fused each other, the two sex cells, to produce one nucleus, which is zygote. Okay. Thank you. Next one, which of the following statements is true of homologous chromosomes? ملك وائل. ملك وائل. Malak,
Yes.
can you please answer this question? Which of the following statements is true of
They are
homologous?
exact copies.
Exact. What about the first one? They contain the same genes. Firstly, they contain the same genes. Right or wrong about the homologous chromosomes?
Right.
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 So what's the difference between the first choice and the last one?
They contain the same genes, but they are not exact copies of each other.
So you said the right answer, letter A, not D.
Yes, because they are not copies of each other. They only have the same gene.
Same genes. Okay, can you explain to me what the meaning of exact copy? What is the meaning of exact copy?
That they mean they are similar in everything,
Yes,
not only the gene
similar in shape, in
and
size,
size,
in structure,
type.
size, right?
Right.
So the first and the last one, which one of them most truly about the homologous chromosome? Malak. Homologous chromosome just have the same genes? Malak? Okay. Lujain Muhammad.
Now, Lujain Muhammad.
Yes.
Can you explain the meaning of homologous chromosomes?
They are exact copies.
Explain it. If anyone asks you homologous chromosomes, they are homologous chromosomes. You conclude what from this term, homologous chromosomes? They are what?
They contain the same gene and same traits.
Same genes of same traits, right?
Yes.
Just carry same genes, same trait. What about their size, their shape, their structure, their function?
They have the same size and shape and structure and function.
So we can say that
They about them, they are exact copies.
they are exact copies. They are
Yes.
identical copies, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So the most accurate choice, last one, letter D. Next
Yes.
question. Okay.
Mister, when you was asking على ملك the network يعني النت ده كان وحش.
Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Which phrase best describe minus one? Who can answer this question about minus one? And I need from him to or her to differentiate between what happens to the chromosomes in case of meiosis and mitosis. Who can answer me? Habiba, you can answer.
Division of homologous chromosomes.
Division of homologous chromosomes, right? The first question done. My second question, what is the difference between meiosis and mitosis, or what happens to the chromosomes in case of meiosis division and the mitosis division? This is my question. What happens to the chromosomes in case of mitosis and the meiosis one, to be more accurate? Who can answer this question?
والله مستر أنا ما رجعتش في 6.1 لسه يعني لسه ما رجعتوش.
Okay. No one know the answer?
I think Mister they are similar to each other.
They are similar, mitosis and the meiosis one, for what happens to the chromosomes. This is
Yes.
your answer, right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
مش قوي يعني بس.
Okay, so let me ask your friend, your close friend, Dr. Luigi.
Yes.
What do you think about Habiba's answer? She is right or wrong?
This one, division of homologous chromosome, but mitosis is division of sister
Ask
chromosome.
me, answer me first, sorry. Answer me. She is right or wrong, firstly?
She said meiosis one and mitosis is similar.
So she is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Correct her answer, please.
Meiosis one, the division of homologous chromosome, but mitosis is division of sister chromatid.
You means in case of mitosis, the chromosome splits into two sister chromatids, right?
Yes.
But in case of meiosis, the homologous chromosomes split from each other, not chromatids, right?
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Habiba,
Yes, yeah, Mister.
Luigi said you are wrong. Okay,
Yes.
you got it?
Yes.
In case of this one, meiosis, the homologous chromosomes split from each other. But in case of mitosis, each chromosome splits into sister chromatids. Clear?
Here.
Okay. Next question. What happens to the sister chromatids in meiosis 2? What happens to sister chromatids in Meiosis II? Yusuf Nasser. Yusuf Nasser. Yes. Answer this question, please. You can chatting as you chat. Which letter is the right one? Divided. Letter C. Okay. The best. What happens to sister chromatids in Meiosis II? They are divided. Letter C. What does an egg contribute to the embryo that a sperm doesn't contribute? Which means the egg cell or female sex cell gives what to the embryo, which doesn't sperm give it to the embryo. Who can answer this question? Let me choose. Jumana, can you answer this question?
DNA.
DNA.
لا sorry polar bodies.
Polar bodies. This is your final answer? Jumana, is your last answer?
Yes.
Polar bodies?
Yes.
What about organelles? Do you know the meaning of polar bodies?
No.
No. You choose this one, depend on what?
Organelles.
Organelles. The right answer, organelles. DNA contribute by egg and sperm. You inherited the DNA from your father and your mother, the sperm and egg. Polar bodies related to the structure of ovums or egg cells. Each meiosis division for production of egg cells produce 4 ovums or 4 eggs, but just one of them is still as it, and the other 3 change to polar bodies to feed the standard egg cell. Germ cells mean sex cells. Sex cell doesn't contribute sex cells to the embryo, but organelles, because the embryo form it inside the egg cell and take these organelles. But sperm just contribute the DNA to the embryo, no organelles. So our first organelles contribute from our mothers. Okay. You got it, Jumana?
Yes.
Next one, which of the following is an example of a biological trait? Biological trait, which means inherited from the parents to their offspring. Regional accent, hairstyle, personality, eye color. Which of this considered as biological trait? Which one? Jana Abd. Jana. Muhammad Hatim. Muhammad. Can you answer this question, please? Example about biological trait. Biological trait means trait inherited from parents to offsprings. You take from your parents regional accent or hairstyle or personality or eye color.
I think personality.
Personality. You take your personality from your parents.
Oh no مستر يبقى region accent صح كده؟
Regional accent.
أيوه.
Maybe your father can speak English and you can't, right?
صح.
So inherited accent, regional accent.
لا ما ينفعش. طب ما هو مستر ما هي هير ستايل او اي كلر اسمه ده يعني.
What about eye color? What about eye color?
طب ما هي نفس فكرة الهير ستايل يا مستر. لا مش لا صح. صح. ممكن تكون اي كلر.
It's eye color. It's not maybe eye color. It is 100% eye color.
صح يا مستر. اي كلر.
Okay. You got it?
فهمت يا مستر.
Read the question, understand it carefully, and well to choose the right answer. Okay.
Okay يا مستر.
Okay, Hamad. Thank you. Eye colors. Biological trait. Which of the following conclusions was a result of Mendel's observations? Which one? Organisms inherit 2 copies of each gene, one from each parent. Organisms that have intermediate features are self-pollinating, or organisms that give rise to purebreds are genetically superior. The last one, organisms that self-pollinate don't have either or features. What is the right answer?
A.
A, excellent. Judy Gamal, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Mendel said that the organism inherited the trait from the parents by 2 factors, and in recent science, they said that the 2 factors or the factors means chromosomes. Each trait inherited by 2 chromosomes or pair of chromosomes, each one inherited from each parent. Excellent. Genetics is the science of what? Pollination, pea plants, probability, heredity. Hurry up, guys. If you know the answer, say it. Genetics is the science of what?
Probability. No, sorry,
Habiba, probability, heredity, which theory was disproved by Mendel's first set of experiments. Blending theory, evolutionary theory, genetic theory. Mendel disproved which theory?
Blending theory.
Blending theory. Excellent, Lucy. When Mendel crossed a purple flowered plant with a white flowered plant, the F2 means second generation. F2 second generation had what? Pink flowers, only purple flowers and white flowers, or only white flowers? The second generation. The second generation. Yusuf, Nasser, Sintu, and C. Right. Second generation, purple and white. Who remember the percent or the ratio between both of them? In second generation, for the first experiment of Mendel, the ratio between purple and white. Second generation. Yusuf Azza, do you remember the percentage?
نعم.
Do you remember the percentage of second generation, purple and white flower?
Yes. The
Okay.
first generation is 100% dominant, and the second generation is 75 to 25% recessive. يعني 25% recessive و 75 dominant اللي هي نسبة 3-1.
Excellent. Next question. Mendel believed that the characteristics of pea plants are determined by the what? Inheritance of units or factors from both parents, a relative health of the parent plants at the time of pollination, or inheritance of units or factors from one parent. Mendel believed what? Ayman. Ayman. Najaya. Najaya. Okay, Ayman. Okay, Ayman, can you answer the question? What is the right answer? A, B, or C?
Mister, it's
Yes.
A.
Najaya?
Yes.
It's A. Right, from the both parents. Thank you, Najaya. Phenotype refers to the space of an individual. Recessive alleles, genetic makeup, actual physical appearance. Very important question. Phenotype refers to recessive alleles, genetic makeup, actual physical appearance.
Actual physical appearance.
Bravo, excellent. Actual physical appearance. But genotype refers to genetic makeup, to differentiate between both of them. Okay, Habiba?
Okay.
Genetic makeup about genotype. Physical appearance about phenotype. Gregor Mendel did experimented on what kind of plants? It's a very easy one. Bees. The passing of physical characteristics from parent to the young is called what? The passing of physical characteristics from parent to young is called what?
Heredity.
Heredity. What is the scientific study of heredity? It's a very easy one. Scientific study of heredity. Mahmoud Ibrahim, you joined us at the last time.
نعم. يا مستر
You joined us later.
معلش كنت بره.
Okay, can you answer this question? What is the scientific study of heredity?
genetics.
Excellent. Genetics. Excellent. Organisms with two different alleles for a trait is known as what? Two different alleles for a trait, which means same trait but different alleles, different genes. Dominant or recessive or homozygous or hybrid. Judy, can you answer this question?
recessive homozygous ولا هايبرد عشان جت في الكويز اللي احنا كنا عاملينه هايبرد.
يوسف.
ايوه يا مستر.
ريلاكس.
ايوه هي هايبرد.
Hybrid. Two different alleles, hybrid. Heterozygous. The last question, a space is a genetic makeup or alleles.
هايبرد ولا هيتروزايج؟
Both of them right. It's the same meaning. Hybrid is heterozygous, is impure. The three scientific terms are the same meaning. Hybrid, heterozygous, impure.
تمام.
Both of all of them means two different alleles. I will repeat them again. Hybrid, heterozygous, impure. Okay? The genetic makeup or alleles a combination